Hello everyone, Andrew at Brink Fleet here in Lubbock, Texas. We're known for our trucks, vans, and SUVs. Well, we also have cars. Low mileage, great prices. You gotta come see these. We have Jeep, Honda, Kia, Mazda, pretty much any kind of car you're looking for. So come on by 5712 58th Street here in Lubbock, Texas, or give us a call at 765-5832. Look forward to seeing you. Thank you.